Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can use night vision camera in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open camera and you have to swipe right. You can see here it is the night vision. Click on it and you can zoom it also, and you will see a good experience when you are using it in the night. You can see it has 1x zoom and 2x zoom also, and you can see this. You will see a good experience in it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos.